Hey students, let's switch on over to our book here. All right, you can see me up in the top right. I can help out with fingers, but we learned last year F, E, and D, but I don't think we ever learned C. So let's take a look at first F. Remember, you need to find out if you have a Baroque recorder or if you have a German one. And Baroque has the B right above the thumb hole. So there's the thumb hole, B, and German has G. And they have slightly different fingers on very few notes. F is one of them. So Baroque would be this. I have a Baroque, so mine is going to be 1, 2, 3, 1. You can see right there, and then you're going to add 3 and 4. So you're going to skip 2 and add 3 and 4. If you have German, you have a slightly to your finger, 1, 2, 3, 1. We know E, 1, 2, 3, and 2, and then D, 1, 2, 3, and 3, and then C is our lowest note. We have that. And that one takes the lowest amount of air, the smallest amount of air to make that one happen. So if I even speed up the air a little bit, it's gonna, whoa, don't want that. So why don't we just go down down the notes. We'll go F, E, D, C, because they're all half notes. Ready? Let me back up so you can see the fingerings. Ready? And if you need to turn this pinky one a little bit so your pinky can reach it, because our pinky is the smallest finger, you can do that. I had to turn mine a little bit because my pinky wasn't reaching. Let's do it again. Ready? Go. Cool. Let's go up. C, D, E, F. Ready? Go. So why don't we go top to bottom and back up? So let's try. 1, 2, ready? Let's play 1, 2, ready? All right, moving on. Let's go to 16. Just looking between the notes. Let's think of top line. What is it? And you can see the notes over here, of course. So if you guessed F, F, E, E, D, 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 let's try that. Now let's not do that metronome. Boop, 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 boop. Let's do this. Sorry, I'm adjusting some settings here, guys. Oh, where'd my metronome go? All right, here's our metronome. Ah, muted. Here we go. So we're gonna play those half notes. 1, 2, top line. For 4. And then we have D, D, what's this? You can use this up here. E, E, F, E, D, so D, D, E, E, F, E, D. Let's try that out. D, E, and F. So let's try that. 1, 2, ready. Do it again. 2, ready. Cool. Let's say the letters, whole top line, nice and easy. Ready? Go. F, F, E, E, D, 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 E, E, F, E, and D. Let's play that. 1, 2 Fs. 1, 2, ready. Now, if you got to practice, go ahead and head to practice mode. And you can practice that up. Come on back when you're ready to play. And I'm assuming you're on pause now because you just got done practicing. So let's play. All right, I just wanted to check that. That was kind of a weird intro. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, ready, go. Play it again. I'm going to point this time. Cool. Why don't we learn the bottom part? It only has 2 notes, so I bet we can blaze through this. I'll give you the first ones. They are D's. What are these? If you guessed E, you would be correct. So D, D, E, E, D, D, D. What would these be? If you guessed D, D, E, E, D, E, D, you'd be correct. So let's finger and say, let me turn that AC off so it's not super loud. Okay, finger and say, bottom line. 1, 2, ready, go. D, D, E, E, D, 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 E, E, D, E, D. Let's try playing it. Here we go. Bottom line. And if you need to practice, go ahead and pause, but otherwise, 1, 2, ready. I'll point. And play. Line 2, go. And there we go. Let's take a look at 17, the scale. All right, let's see if I can scroll up so we can still use that fingering chart right there, because we're going to need it. F, E, D, and C are all in this note. So let's go from top to bottom. I'll give you a hint. This top one is C. So what's the next note? If you guessed B, you'd be correct. What's the next? You guessed A, you're correct. And what's the next one? Yes, G, you're correct. And I'm going to show you something really quick. This is a shortcut for this. Remember, if we go up and down the staff, it always goes a space note, a line note, space, line, space, line. You can see it's going down by steps. And it goes up and down the alphabet by steps too. So we were just going backwards in the alphabet. We went C, B, A, and we restart. The musical alphabet only goes to G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Remember? So if we are at A, that means this is G. What's backwards from G? F, and you can check it right here. Correct. E, it's backwards from F. What's backwards from E? D, and C. So we're just going down the scale. C, B, A, G, F, which we learned, E, D, C. Now, what's it going to do next? If you said D, it's going up the alphabet now. E, F, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Start over, A, B, C. It's just going up and down the alphabet. Ends up sounding like this. I'll play you the whole thing. And then we go up, D. So it ends up sounding like this. And there we go. Let's finger and say, ready? Just going C all the way down to C, and then back up to C. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, going up. D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Let's try that. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. Shall we try with the music? First time we'll finger and say. Second time we'll play. Here we go. Two, ready, say it. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Let's play. Oh, there's 2 bar of a repeat. Ready? There we go. Now I only learned the bottom part. What do you notice? It's almost the same, right? It's C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, same as what we played above. D, E, F, G. But then instead of going A, B, C to end on, it just goes to an E to end the song along with the top part. And it also has this right here. I believe we talked about this last year, but this is a 4-beat rest. So you're going to go rest, 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 and then we play. So the top part will be playing, but we will be resting. They'll play, and then we play. Cool? Why don't we finger it? 1, 2, ready, go. C, let's do it with the rest. I'm sorry, that was my fault. Ready, go. Rest, 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 rest. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, and then we end on E. Let's finger it, and then let's play it. Here we go. 1, 2, here's the rest, and. Ready, go. Oh, we're fingering, I'm sorry. A, G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, and end on an E. 2 bars of rest. Now we're going to go to the rest. Go. Rest, 2, 3, play. All right, cool. We did 16, we did 17. Hopefully we can move on to 18 next time. And there's some in the past that I wanted to work on. I realized, like this one, Chopsticks, we could play, but it didn't introduce F or C yet. So we had to skip ahead to where they introduce F and C. So we'll be getting back to other numbers in the book, but today was 16 and 17. And I will see you guys in the future. Bye-bye.